Hi, this is Dr. Ben Morrill with Reptile Genetics Weekly, and we're not going to call this one an episode. It's kind of a crazy time, a very crazy week for us. We have both Kayla and Allie that had things pop up that made life complicated, things that had to be taken care of. So anyway, Sean and I were gone for 4 days at Tinley, and we had things pop up for Allie and Kayla, and life's been a little chaotic. So sorry to all of you. We're coming to you late this week. But I think things are coming back together. So we do plan next week to be able to do a live. So I don't know for sure what night it'll be. We'll have to, since we're coordinating to hopefully have Sean, Kayla, and I, all three of us on. We have lots of different things that we want to talk about and get feedback from you all about after being at Tinley. We have lots of ideas and good conversations and things to think about and take action on. So anyway, next week we hope to have a really be able to do a live stream like we were planning to do this week, and things just got crazy. But anyway, wanted to say right off the bat, it was really nice going to Tinley. Awesome seeing so many people and the uh, the excitement, the passion for the animals that we're all interested in, and also, you know, me being biased, of course, be able to see the excitement about the opportunity to have genetic testing for reptiles. It was an awesome experience. Got to have really good conversations and hang out and eat lunch, breakfast, or dinner with various people that some I've known for many years, and others this is the first time meeting, and it was a really good experience. Sean and I both really appreciated it, and thanks again for all of you that came by and said hi or caught us in the aisles as we're walking through. It was a really good uplifting experience, and Sean said multiple times, I feel really happy going back home. It was really good, and we appreciate it. For updates, we just sent out a whole bunch of results over the last 3 days. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, a whole bunch of results went out. So those of you that had tests in for a while, that should have gotten most, if not all of those. And then if you have some that have been in for the last 2 weeks, those are probably going to go on the next run. So today is October 12th. And so, like I said, we just sent out a bunch of results the last 3 days. The next batch of results, because Sean and I are working as fast as we can. It looks like the next run we won't be able to start until next week. And so that means the next results will be coming following after that. So it'll be October 23rd, 24th, and 25th. It's like another Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. As far as we can tell right now, we have a whole bunch. Thankfully, we still have lots. We thought that maybe after baby season, things would slow down, and they haven't yet. And thank you, all of you. So instead of, things slowing down and us having more time to do other things, now we're saying, hey, we need to hire more people. We need more help. And then as soon as we have that conversation, both Kayla and Allie have things pop up and they're busy. So now it's just Sean and I. But yeah, we're very thankful. Lots of testing to do is a good thing. It's not really slowing down, so we'll hire some more people. And the post that I did while at Tinley with Patrick helping me, some good ideas to help me get the analysis faster. So when we do get results, instead of it taking me 2 or 3 full days to analyze everything because there's so many results, I'm hoping to cut that in half, maybe even do better than that over time. But anyway, yeah, so thank you so much. We have lots coming in, lots of results going out. And then, like I said, the next batch of results will be October 23rd, 24th, and 25th, most likely, as far as we can tell, with how crazy busy things are. But that's what we're working towards. So coming up in about 10 days or so, you'll have more results. And another thing I wanted to talk about is, as an update, are the panel results that went out this time and last time. I thought I would be able to have VPI, Axanthic, and Cryptic be a part of those, and Red Stripe for that matter. That came out a little later, but I thought we would be able to have those be a part of the results, and that turned out to be more complicated than I thought. So to get the results in a panel, I usually am what's called multiplexing. I'm usually putting a whole bunch of primers together, and I thought I had it working, and two different times it's not worked well for me. So anyway, those of you that got panel results and you were hoping for VPI and red stripe or cryptic, even though those weren't available when you paid for them, probably. But we told you that we plan to run those for you, and we still do. So those are coming. So those of you that are looking for those results in your panel that you didn't get them this time, I will do my best to have them on this next run. So once again, October 23rd, 24th, 25th, that should be when we have those for you. And I'm sorry I didn't get it to work as fast as I thought I could, but I'm working on it every day. So the other good news is that we do have Orange Dream and Leopard working well. And so we're communicating that to our vendors, Clutch and MorphMarket. So those should be officially available very soon. And kind of the same thing, I assumed, see that we've talked about, going several episodes back, how once we get to, 20 to 30 tests, it was going to be difficult and we might break up into smaller panels, things like that. We're hitting that point now where it's difficult to get everything to work all together well. I will get it to work, but it's a lot more troubleshooting. Each time we add another 2 or 3 genes to the 20 or to the 25 or whatever it ends up being, it gets more complicated to make everything run smoothly. I have to tinker with, maybe 2 or 3 here and another one there. And then when I do that, then this one over here that was fine fails. And so anyway, it's kind of a whack-a-mole kind of a thing. But it's something I've done many times. I will get it. But we have so many samples coming in that I'm a little slow to get all of that taken care of, but we're on it. And so, yeah, we will get results out to people that order panels. And then I will try to get Odie and Leopard working in the panels as fast as I can. But since I just got humbled by VPI and cryptic and red stripe, I'd say, it might take me a run or two, but we will definitely try to get those in the panels as fast as we can. And definitely those of you that by the time MorphMarket and Clutch offer them and are paying for that, we will for sure have it ready by then. And yeah, so it's all coming. So I have some notes here this time. So I don't have Kayla helping me. She's so awesome to help me remember what I'm going to talk about and ask questions. And so miss you, Kayla. And yeah, so hopefully next week, like I said, all 3 of us will be on here and we'll be back to normal and I won't need notes. I'll have help. Let's see, make sure. Yeah, I think those are the things that I wanted to hit. Thank you once again for everything. Sorry we didn't have a video go out these last couple of days like we thought we would. But this isn't really a great way to make up for it, just this short one. But we are definitely churning here. And like I said, plan to have that live stream next week. And so if there are things that you talked to us about at Tinley or messaged us recently and you happen to be able to be on there live, definitely shoot some messages in. On YouTube is probably the easiest for us to see, but I'll try to be watching on Instagram as well if I can. Try to catch questions there as well. And feel free to send them in earlier as well, and we'll try to bring those up on the live stream next week. But thank you once again, and next week the video will be better. We'll have an intro and outro and be able to talk with y'all live. We will see you then.